Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now also I want to welcome the students of class 9 for my this class, that is structure of atom, and for the class 9 CBSE syllabus. This is the part 4 where I will explain Thomson model of atom. Before that, in first part I explained the Dalton's atomic theory, and in second part, that is discovery of electron, and third part discovery of proton and neutron already I have explained. Now I want to explain Thomson model of atom. The question is, why the sentence Thomson model of atom is required. Actually, what happens when the electron is discovered by the scientist J.J. Thomson having minus charge, and proton that discovered by E. Goldstein, the charge is positive. So here it is negative charge, electron is negative charge, and proton is positive charge, and neutron that is discovered by the scientist Chadwick, and here the charge is neutral. Now see, one is positive, other one is negative, and third one is neutral. And now the question is, atom is neutral. Atom is neutral, and now you know proton positive, electron negative, and neutrons that is neutral. Yes, but how can we arrange all these subatomic particles, that is electron, proton and neutron, in an atom? Atom, inside the atom, how can we arrange electrons, protons and neutrons? After discovery of electron, proton and neutron, the question arises, how the electron protons arranged in an atom. Now so many scientists came to forward that, put the theory model for the structure of the atom, but J.J. Thomson, who put first theory, who proposed first theory and first model, that is called J.J. Thomson model, or simply we can say Thomson model of atom. Are you clear? Now I want to again explain, after discovery of electron, proton and neutron, and the scientists thought that here the electrons, protons and neutrons, how they are arranged inside the atom. So many scientists came, and first J.J. Thomson proposed one theory, that is called Thomson model of atom. Then what is Thomson model of atom? Atom is one uniform sphere. He said, according to the postulates, according to the model of the J.J. Thomson scientist, here he said atom is a uniform sphere, and where positive charge are uniformly distributed. Now you can say here, suppose atom is a one uniformly sphere, and the positive charges are uniformly distributed. That means here they are uniformly distributed. Then what happens about the electrons? How the electrons are arranged? Yes, he said it is just like similar to Christmas pudding. Christmas pudding, that means milk and egg with the combination, one type of kheer is produced, and that is one sweet is produced, where you are putting dry fruits here and there. You can find dry fruits here and there, that sweet, that one is Christmas pudding, or simply you can say pudding. Now electrons just like dry fruits. Electrons are just like dry fruits in a pudding. Now in a pudding you can't say where that dry fruits you will arrange. Here and there are arranged. Like this, electrons are arranged in the pudding. Now here also he compared also with a watermelon. You can see watermelon, the red edible part that is uniformly distributed. Now red edible part is say to equivalent to positive charges where it is uniformly distributed. And now the seeds are here and there arranged. That means electrons are here and there arranged. Electrons are compared to seeds of watermelon, and positive charges, that is protons, are said equivalent to the edible part of the watermelon. So what is the conclusion then? If he said yes, it is a uniformly sphere, that means it is a sphere. Atom is a sphere where positive charges are uniformly distributed, and here the electrons are here and there, that is spreaded just like seeds in a watermelon or dry fruits in a pudding. And now what is the conclusion? The positively charged sphere, electrons are embedded. Electrons here and there you will put, that is called embedded, and that negative charges are equal to positive charges. Suppose 18 positive charge, there should be 18 negative charge. Suppose 2 negative charge, there should be 2 positive charge, because you know atom is neutral. But it could not be explained properly. What it could not explain? That experiments which are carried by different other scientists carried so many experiments to satisfy that J.J. Thomson model of atom, but that model could not explain properly what are the experiments carried by different scientists. So the question arises, that means who can produce more good model? Then here first is J.J. Thomson model, or simply you can say Thomson model is there, and after that the new scientist came, and that one, the scientist named Rutherford, who can say Rutherford model of atom. Now we know first one J.J. Thomson model of atom, or simply Thomson model of atom, and next we will see Rutherford's model of atom. I hope you clear about that Thomson model of atom. And here already please read that, see the videos first, second, third, where I have explained Dalton's atomic theory, discovery of electron, and the discovery of neutron, proton, and here that is Thomson model of atom. It will be easy. I hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also share and like my channel. Thanking you.